Hi, so you had a question about Unit 2 test number 23, which a lot of people did. So let's take a quick look at that, shall we? So in the design, a hexagon is inscribed in a circle. Which point shows the location of point Q after a 240 clockwise rotation around the center? Okay, so a couple of important things that we are working with here. So first thing, it's a hexagon, so that's important to know. We're looking at point Q after a 240 degree clockwise rotation. So here's Q, and we're going to be moving it like if this were 1, it would go, in the direction of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 around the clock, okay? So in order to figure out how many places it's going to move, we have to figure out its degrees of rotation. And then, in order to do that, we count and see how many vertices it has, or how many sides. In this case, it's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because it's a hexagon. Okay, so we're going to have 6 vertexes. Vertex. That's not an R. Vertex. Okay, and that means if we take the total number of degrees in the entire figure, which would be like a circle, 360, I can divide it by 6. So 360 divided by the number of vertices tells me how far I have to go before it goes from one vertice to another, before it rotates from one letter to another letter, okay? So if I divide 360 by 6, I get 60 degrees. So that means every time I go from one letter to another letter, that is 60 degrees, okay? So that means I would have to go 60, that would be another 60, so 120, and then another 60, so 180, and then another 60, which would be a 240. Clockwise, making sure I'm going in the right direction, would bring me to U. Okay. So hopefully you understand this a little better now, and if you have any other questions, let me know.